From the Office of Solid Foundation Psychiatry. Today, I want to draw your attention to the significant dangers associated with depression and anxiety. These mental health conditions affect millions of people worldwide and can have profound impacts on individuals and society as a whole. Depression is more than just feeling sad. It is a persistent condition that can lead to feelings of hopelessness, worthlessness, and even thoughts of self-harm or suicide. Anxiety disorders, characterized by excessive worry and fear, can be equally debilitating, leading to physical symptoms such as panic attacks and a decreased ability to function in daily life. The dangers of depression and anxiety extend beyond emotional distress. They can significantly impact physical health, increasing the risk of cardiovascular problems, compromised immune system function, and chronic pain. Additionally, these conditions impair cognitive abilities, making it challenging to excel academically or professionally. Depression and anxiety can strain relationships, leading to isolation and conflicts. Moreover, they are significant risk factors for suicide, highlighting the urgent need for awareness and support. In conclusion, depression and anxiety pose significant dangers to individuals and society. By promoting understanding, reducing stigma, and providing support, we can help those affected seek treatment and lead healthier lives. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you.